morning guys. Pabalik na kami sa Cebu. Ayun na, Team Pavilion here. Yeah. Sobra. Kasi nandito na kami sa barge. So, nandito kami sa buntot ng barge dahil di wanna take the video. At charot. Wala pang pagimuta kay hanggang maaga kami guys. Nabol kasi namin dapat yung 5:30 kaso lang walang biyahe dahil masamang panahon. Grabe yung alon. At saka medyo makulimlim. Yeah, it's very cloudy. So, I'll show you around. Ayan o. Okay. So, sana okay lang ang aming biyahe. Papuntang Hagnaya. Then after that, Hagnaya going to Cebu City. So, from Hagnaya to Cebu City, at least around 3 to 4 hours. Kasi nandun na yung guest ko. Charot. Yung aking partner, aking BFF nandun nag-aantay na sa Cebu kasi guys. So, ayan. So, ang ganda ng bars na to, ayun. Kasi pwedeng pero siyang bed. Pwede kang matulog ng mahiga. Pero, very short lang naman yung biyahe. At least mga 1 hour. Sana hindi lang ma-delay. Tsaka halfway sana wala masyadong alon, no? So, ayan guys, nakikita nyo, may alon talaga, no? Namumuti. Ayan, no? Sana okay lang. Yung sa harapan, alam nyo yun yata yung Virgin Island din, di ba? Ayan, I think that's a Virgin Island. Marami talaga pupunta dyan. Dinadayo yung Virgin Island na yan. Ayan. Ayan, Ate Irene, say hi.
Hi! I'm Ate
Tita Erm, say hi.
I'm 16 years old.
Yeah, she's 16 years old. Hi, Celine. Hi, she's also taking my video. She's like that one, no? Be careful. Kasi lagi kang mapaprank yan. Ayan, Team Lavillian here. And then, hello, MPM.
Hello, good morning, everybody. Nana, give me some very bold.
Yeah.
See you soon.
See you soon.
See you soon, Cebu.
See you soon.
Going back.
Yes, ka-perfect yun. Kuyawan siya. So, nag-antay na lang kami na umandar yung makina ng barge. Makina ng barge daw. So, actually guys, bakit inagahan namin yung biyahe? Kasi, meron kaming pupuntahan. Gusto namin bumisita sa Simala Church. Dahil, pabalik ako ng Singapore. Mabilis na biyahe, no? But anyway, I really enjoyed it. Okay? Thank you so much for watching, guys.